Om Shanti. Essence of Murli, 10 July 2025. Sweet Baba says, sweet children, renounce body consciousness and become soul conscious. Only those who are soul conscious are called part of the godly community. Question: how is the spiritual gathering of you children different from all other spiritual gatherings? Answer: this is the only spiritual gathering where you listen to the knowledge of souls and the Supreme Soul. You study here to attain your aim and objective, which is in front of you. In other spiritual gatherings, neither do they study nor do they have any aim or objective. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Follow the elevated directions of the One Father and become deities from ordinary humans. At this beautiful auspicious confluence age, make your intellects divine and become the most elevated ones. Number 2. Sit in a bhatti for 7 days and purify your impure intellect. Listen to the true story of the true Narayan from the true Father and become Narayan from a human being. Blessing for today. May you be honest and trustworthy and use every treasure according to the Father's directions for any task. Details are: an honest and trustworthy person is someone who doesn't use the treasures he has received from the Father for any task without his directions. If you waste your time, words, actions, breath or thoughts in following the dictates of others or under the influence of wrong company, if you think about others instead of thinking about yourself, if you are being arrogant about something instead of having self-respect, if you follow the dictates of your own mind instead of following Srimad, you cannot then be said to be honest. You have received all these treasures to benefit the world, and so to use them for that task is to be honest. Slogan is: opposition has to be against Maya and not the divine family. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. All souls belong to one unlimited family, and so no soul of our family should be deprived of blessings. Always have such elevated thoughts filled with zeal and enthusiasm in your hearts. Do not remain busy with just your own household. Remain stable in an unlimited stage and have the elevated thought to serve unlimited souls. This is the easy way to have success.